hold in my hand something that they held in their hands and drew on or wrote on, that is really special to me. So I hope to find some in my care package.
Some things that definitely represent the people that put me in this position, but one of the most meaningful things is the 4 moon pendants that I gifted my wife and 3 children I guess 2 years ago now, and they wore them for a while. I collected them back this summer, and they're on that vehicle right now, rolling with the pad.